buntag sa inyo tanan.
Sige mga buntag sa inyo tanan. We are here in Dumaguete, here at Gabby's B&B, aka among paborito na restaurant dito sa Dumaguete kay lami ilang pagkaon.
Every breakfast.
Ilang French toast, some French toast kind of guy.
I'm not, I don't like sweet breakfast much.
Yeah, she's lame. But today we are going to Soroi dito na mga hidden falls. It's OLD Casaroro Falls. Everyone knows about Casaroro, pero naay karaan na Casaroro. Tago siya, astig kayo daw. But we're gonna eat, and then we're gonna meet up some locals. They will show us the way.
Yes.
Tara. Alright, kumari kami mag-aon dito sa Gabby's B&B. I highly recommend it.
It's
not sponsored, just freaking delicious.
Really not sponsored.
Yes.
We've paid every day.
We've been here like every day since we've been in Dumaguete. But today we are going now to the falls. We're meeting our friend Cheska. She messaged us on Instagram. So if you guys have any good spots you want us to go to and maybe join us, message us on Instagram. Yeah, buddy. Alright, so we're gonna go. Hopefully we see her over there. So ta-da. Alright, quick update. What's the update, babe?
Well, I went to go use... What's wrong?
I just bumped the camera. Hit it.
Well, I went to go use the CR, and there's a lady there. Well, okay, wait, hold on. That's not what happened.
John C.
Well, I went to go use the CR at Casaroro Falls, and then there was a sign to the entrance of the falls where we went the other day saying, temporarily closed due to NCOV-19. And I was like, oh no. So I asked her, is everything closed in Valencia or in Negros because of NCOV? And she's like, yes, in Valencia anyway. So pretty much anywhere with like an entrance fee, so like an actual tourist attraction, is closed. So we're stuck here, but we're gonna go find the hidden falls. Yay!
Sige, sumuni siya ang mga tour guide namo, si Maria, yung leader. O si Cheska, no? Hello. Siya ang nag-message namo sa Instagram, so sila mag-guide sa amo karon. Og padung ta sa asa ta padung day.
Sa original Casaroro.
Original. Yan. So, Anina Falls is before Casaroro, yung mga ang sikat na falls dito sa Dumaguete. So, ang Bubaklen.
When the lights are out and you stumble in the dark, you kept pushing on, but then you went too far. When your ship has sailed and all your dreams are lost, everything is wrong, you feel like it's your fault. Just remember, I will be there for you, baby. Remember, there's nothing out there to get you, don't forget it. When life throws lemons,
There's a snake. Alright, we made it to the OLD Casaroro Falls. How long did it take us? Like 20 minutes? 30?
Like more than that?
No way.
Yeah, including the down. Maybe like 40.
I would say 30 minutes tops.
No,
30 minutes. And super sick, but there's quite a bunch of people. I'm surprised because this is the secret falls of
But
Dumaguete, but because
Casaroro is closed.
yeah, the OG Casaroro, I mean this is the OG. The Sikat Casaroro is closed, so maybe everyone came here.
Yeah, all the guides are taking them here.
Yeah. But super sick, it's probably really loud, probably can't even hear us. So, ligo na ta.
You didn't try them.
just call on me to get you, don't forget to get you, to get you, don't forget to get you, to get you, don't forget to get you, to get you, don't forget to get you. You're stronger now than you ever been. You gotta leave now, it's time to catch the wind.
Alright, so we're finished with OLD Casaroro and we are going to another falls which is nearby called Totin, I think. So yeah, there's a few falls that aren't as sikat as Casaroro, original Casaroro. Kapoy, saka sa bukid. Diri sa mga Casaroro, diri sa bag-o o karaan na Casaroro, sige saka sa bukid. Whew. Right? Team Asthma. This part of the hike is straight up and down. It's gonna be a beast coming back up. Zoe is terrified of bamboo and wooden bridges. Oh, she can hear me. And she also has a stick in her hair. Ganun ko anin na hike. Stick siya. Na siya idagan na gagmay na falls diri dapit. Sabay lang sa sapa. Og shoutout sa tao na nagbutang og simento diri para dili ko madanlog. Pugihan kayo. Ningaw siguro mo danlog diri mo slide. Okay, so si Maria mauna. Bugnaw, bugnaw. Pwede daw mo ambag diha. Moambag ka? Ikaw? Ikaw? Moambag ni siya. Sige, we made it at Totin Falls. Ambot sa ni siya, Totin. Astig ni siya, you can jump, so maybe I'll try jumping. Bugnaw daw. The hike here is one of my favorites of all the Dumaguete hikes. Kay agi-agi lang sa mga waterfalls na gamay. Pero maligo na tas bugnaw ng tubig.
You're gonna learn just how to. What goes, goes, comes around, round, round. What goes, goes, comes around, round, round. What goes, goes, comes around, round, 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 round. What goes, goes, comes around, round, round. What goes, goes, comes around, round, round. What goes, goes, comes around, round, 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 round. There's no illusion, you're gonna lose me. Finally, I'm taking enough. 'Cause you're all delusion, play confusion. Days are gonna get rough, but that's your karma, time for you to suck it on up. And it's your karma, you.
I'm nervous. Please come up, please come up, please. Yay! Woo! 10 points. Carson's taken over the lead. Aw, so cute. He looks better than me. Look at your friends. Ate Maria. Ay, nako. Oh. That, he's drowning. Oh, he's drowning. Giatay. Is that a bad word? I think. Pastilan. That's okay, no? One more jump, he says.
Why is it just me?
Hit it.
I almost died. Is that what the update is here?
Yep.
Okay, yes, I almost died. It was super steep, and then I got very lightheaded because probably didn't have enough water and other things. And what's wrong?
Drink more water.
I am trying. We ran out. Anyway, then I got really, really dizzy, and then I had to crawl the rest of the way because if my head was the same level as my heart, I was okay. So, yeah, don't do that. Anyway, we're home now. Over to you, Carson. Correspondent Carson. Okay, I'm gonna wrap it up for you then.
Alright.
Hey! There he is.
So yeah, Zoe almost died today. My lens is dirty. So yeah, this vlog probably was not too long, but hopefully you enjoyed. We found some super sick waterfalls. We found out that there's like 8 or more waterfalls just on that same river.
Yeah.
Casaroro. But today was Old Casaroro and Toron?
Totin.
I forgot.
It's
Again.
Totin.
Totin Falls. Yes, super sick. So go there if you're in Dumaguete.
Super rusty.
But now we're gonna relax and chill because Mom Joe needs to recover because she
It's asthmatic.
is asthmatic. So
What's that?
apple seed. Alright. Focus. Let's finish this vlog, baby.
My nose is so cold. Salamat sa pagtanaw. Og, amping, ma. Tanan.
Ta-da! Yeah, buddy.
Next one.
It's all it takes, babe. Bursting out in cold